Good day everyone, I'm Marvin James Rigonan and today I will discuss packet switching, a key concept in computer networking. Packet switching breaks message into smaller packets that travel separately through a network and are reassembled at the destination. It's the foundation of the internet. So, how it works? Data is divided into packets, each with the source, destination, and other information. Packets may take different routes but are assembled correctly at the end. There are two types. First, datagram. Packets travel independently and may arrive out of order. The second one is virtual circuit. A fixed path is set before transmission, ensuring order. The advantage of packet switching is efficient, support many users at once, it is fault tolerant, and works well for bursty data like emails and browsing. And the disadvantage of packet switching may arrive late, out of order, or even get lost. This can cause delays and jitter, making real-time apps harder without QoS. Applications. It powers the internet and applications like email, browsing, streaming, and online gaming. So in summary, packet switching made modern communication possible, and it ensures flexible, efficient, and reliable data transfer across networks. That's all. Thank you.